First time making pasta.
I'm going to redo this one because it's not square exactly.
Got this handy dandy cool pasta thing. Makes your fettuccine and your spaghetti, and it has a little sheeter in the middle. You get it thin. What are we on right now? 4?
Same one. I want to
Okay.
run it through again.
Oh, what happened?
I know, I just wasn't happy with it. It's very, very wide.
That looks good. Can we go to a 3 now?
Yeah.
Alright. We're both covered in flour, as you can see. Let's see.
Ready?
Okay. And then after it runs through on this width, we're going to run it through the fettuccine maker. Oh, that is wide. That would make a nice lasagna
Yeah.
pasta. Marty is in his element. We got homemade sauce brewing on, or cooking on the... We don't do home brew yet. That's not one thing we do.
I tried that. It just doesn't work.
That's not terribly long either. I don't think we need to cut it.
Oh, shit.
So we can pop that in the fettuccine. What's the difference between linguine and fettuccine?
Linguine is thinner, or it's not as wide, not quite as wide.
Finally, my arm is useful for something in this life. I've waited all these years to have a useful arm, and here it is.
There we go.
Ah, okay. Now
Last
we're going... Ah, can you turn the tree? This is our tree. It's also
You
a
wanna
drying
run this
rack for Barbie doll clothes. Sure.
Oh, we got one more. Oh, we got 2 more. You want to put it on its own?
I kind of do, yeah. Only because... There we go. Let's see if I can do it like so. There we are. Haha!
Okay.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh.
Oh no!
Yeah.
A man down. I lost a couple.
Because you're doing it one-handed.
Yeah, because I'm trying to be cool. And I had one on the floor. Well, it's all for the cause. Yep, we made our homemade sauce, which is a Rayo's esque recipe from YouTube. We liked it so much we jarred a whole bunch of it.
Oh shit! I didn't reset it.
Oh boy, that ain't gonna work.
No, I'll put it back
Yeah,
into a.
into a envelope.
Yeah.
Marty, are you the king of Italian food? Are you becoming the king of Italian? I'm pretty sure you are. Is this the last one?
Yeah, this is the last one.
Oh, cool. That was my fault. I dropped the ball. I'm supposed to do the thing. It has 7 through 1. 7 being the widest, 1 being the smallest, and we usually land on 3.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And then, of course, we have our fabulous assistant. Hi, Spotty. Want to say hello? Make everybody dizzy? Hi. How, boo-boo? He's right under our feet at all times. Okay. That's just, in hopes that something falls down the floor. All this is eggs, salt, and flour. We did one... Uh-oh. That one don't look so good.
What do you think the problem is?
It didn't...
I'll envelope it.
It didn't have enough flour, I don't think. We gotta re-flour it and re-envelope it. First one, the dough did not come out. We did the whole...
Yeah, we followed the directions.
We did the whole flour in the circle on the cutting board over there. Then we did the eggs in the middle and whisk them in together, working the flour in, just like you see on all the videos. That didn't work.
Okay.
We ended up with very dense,
Yeah.
unmalleable dough. So then we redid it, only we put it in the KitchenAid with the dough hook attachment. Worked like a dream. This dough is springy and spongy and wonderful. It's good. Good pasta dough. Oh, did you change it?
I know, I'm running it through one more time.
Okay.
Okay, now you can change it. How are you doing this?
Pulls out.
Again, I can't. I know
Oh.
I can't see the numbers though.
We'll do 4. So so it's been changed.
All right.
Kitchen's very small, so we got to bring out the Big Daddy when we're doing anything where we need counter space. These are all our spices. Looking good, Marty.
Alrighty.
If you'd have told me I'd be making pasta in the state of Michigan with you,
If I had told you?
if anybody had told me,
If
my
I had
fairy
told you-
godmother, I don't know, anybody, I would have said, you're crazy. Firstly, because I don't have a desire to make homemade pasta. I just want to eat it. And secondly,
Alright, is it on 3?
no, I'm too busy being a personality. Doing what I hate when other people do. I'm doing it. So, it's me, I'm the problem.
Yeah.
To quote my favorite
You're
singer,
constantly quoting Taylor Swift.
I
and you
can't help
hate it.
myself. Can you?
No, sugar pie, honey bunch.
Look at this sucker. Holy crap.
Yeah, you're gonna have to cut that one in half.
Okay. That one came a little bit long. Your pasta's good, but mine comes better. To quote the East Uticans.
Yeah.
Mine comes better. It's alright. It's just alright. It's alright for me, dog.
Okay.
Alright. The arm is being utilized. Well. This is going to taste so good. Oh, would you mind throwing that extra one on me that fell? Okay. I'm going to walk it over. I look like the mummy. Alright, I just need a free bar here. And I can't do this and hold the phone, so I'm going to pause.
I got one more handful.
Okay.
We
Oh,
won't
right
put-
here. Slap it on there. There you go.
Alright.
That's 3 servings of pasta. So we did 3 cups to 3 eggs. That's what they say
And
per
then water.
person. And then
water.
we had to add a 1/4 cup of water because the recipe that we
Was
followed,
wrong.
it was totally wrong. They said we needed no water. And they were wrong.
Alright, let me
Wash up, clean up.
wash up a little bit and then I'll
Well,
mash that sauce.
yep. And the sauce just needs, oh, it smells so good. If there was smell-o-vision, I just can't even. All right. We'll tell you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, first impressions.
Alright, let's
Homemade
see.
pasta, homemade sauce. Everything made here by us.
Let me get some. Okay.
It's like
Make
a,
sure I got real pasta on there.
it's definitely real.
Okay.
This is with the real San Marzano from Italy Cento whole peeled tomatoes.
Yeah, that's the question. Are they better than just like Hunt's
Right.
San Marzano style?
Which is what we
I
made
don't know.
before. But what do you think about the pasta?
No, the pasta's good.
Just good?
Well, I mean,
Is it life-changing? Like, you made that from scratch.
yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, you want honest, right?
Of course I want honesty. I mean, look at the ribbons. We got the size of it good. We got the thinness of it perfect. So 3 is perfect. I wouldn't want it thinner than that. Might be hard to work with. And it only boiled
it's
for
the-
like 3 minutes.
I don't think I've ever had fresh pasta.
Me neither. Not like this.
So,
Can you imagine what it would do with fettuccine?
no, it's... Yeah.
Spot says, where's mine?
Oh, fettuccine Alfredo, yeah.
Yeah. So what is your thoughts, Marty? What are your thoughts?
It's interesting. Because like I'm used to, like with the dried pasta,
Mm-hmm.
it's like more toothsome. There's like even
This
you
is
can
more.
overcook it or undercook it, but it's still got a little bit of like hardness in the middle.
Yeah, this doesn't have the hardness.
Not at all.
Yeah, it's light
So
and delicious.
It takes a little getting used to. Honestly,
All right, well-
I don't think I've ever had it where it wasn't a little hard in the middle.
That's what she said.
You can't
I can't help myself.
do it.
So I'm going to sit down over there and I'm going to try my portion, and Chloe's going to be down shortly and try hers. And the dog food, well, that's Spot's. So I've got to give him some because this is way too spicy for little Spotty.
Mm-hmm.
We make the spaghetti sauce how we like it, and we like it really spicy. So he can't do the spaghetti, but he's going to get some moist and meaty. And he gets lots of love and hugs. All right. Well, I'm going to sit down and try mine. I'm just impressed we did it.
Mm.
All right. Maiden voyage.
Yeah, we're learning.
Yes, we are.